What's your realization, Ate?
My name's Marty, and I'm wearing a Back to the Future shirt, and I'm going to go back in time.
Because she's going from the east to the west. Wow. I know. I kept thinking about that.
Sidewalk down this long hallway. Bye.
Bye. Safe trip. You're not tall enough.
Okay.
I'm fine. Shh.
Spider, please.
Just
Get
talk.
in my cup. Oh my god, it's
Alright, it's gonna happen right now.
Scream so friggin' loud.
I'm not. I'm completely sane. I'm fine. I am what I am. It is in the cup. I killed it.
Oh, it's
Guys, I don't know where it is.
We don't know where.
That's what
It could be my hair. Could be my shirt.
it literally could be anywhere now. Where are we at?
Allergy?
That's me. Thank you so
We
much.
have the club. We have Diablo.
Oh sure.
S'mores.
Thank you.
We're at D-luxe Burger. Did you get the veggie? She got the allergy.
Yeah. Oh wait. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna pull this one out for you.
Oh wow! That looks healthy.
Oh,
I'm vlogging. Say hi. I
Hello.
miss you.
I'm DJ from Pickles Bills. I'm amazing, but I'm also a shit show.
Solid,
Are we all?
solid.
Sometimes they're hollow, but it's like everything that's holding it up is like actually what it is.
Mine vlog.
Yeah, you're on the vlog.
Hi, Vaughn.
This is Nico.
Hi.
Come get your face painted.
Yeah, please. I'm so bored all the time. No one gets their face painted ever.
Hey, quit! No beef! Hey!
Sammy, S-A-M-I, and Raphael gave
Our
us
family.
magic moments. We just got here, and now we're gonna try beignets. We
lost
can't
our
find those
roommates.
people. Oh, wait. Literally, okay, so he gave us 3 free beignets and our dips for free.
Yeah, we don't deserve them. They're little golden people.
We have chicory, coffee ganache, and caramel. And Raphael hooked it up. Vegan.
Check out that allergy.
Colleen is from Louisiana.
Reaction.
Okay, yeah.
She knows the real thing.
There's like a
gotta be
cast,
real hot.
cast
Yeah, it's
post
so hot.
office.
How does it compare?
Does it taste like home?
There's
Home
a
is
cast
better.
post
Ah,
office
yeah,
that
yeah.
usually we just give our
But
mail
it's
to
because
the
at
complex
home,
and
I
they
don't know what
take
they
care
do,
of
but
it.
it makes it a little jellier.
Yeah,
But these are still actually
I guess
really
we
good.
do. We just pay them the postage.
she's impressed. Hi, Hi, this is Nia.
This is Paige,
Post,
and
this is
nice.
Beignets.
Hi.
I give the vegan
so
ones a 5
you guys
out of
think
10,
about really,
and then the real ones like a 9 out of 10.
I don't even know which one to
honestly.
look at. This is fine.
It was good though.
It was.
Would recommend. This place is cute.
This place is really cute. I know this is just a joke, but I could bang you all night.
Fun fact.
Fun fact. This building is where John Lennon signed the paper to officially break up the Beatles.
I didn't know that. This building. Yeah, you can see the little tip of the castle.
Is Cher crying?
No, I don't have emotions.
Sheridan hasn't been to Disney
This
World
is
before.
Cher's first time.
First time seeing the castle.
First time seeing the castle.
She's actually crying.
You're the cutest.
Hidden Mickey. On the floor.
Oh, I don't
Did you watch the
According to Paige, John Stamos played the piano in Full House. We're at Captain Cook's and we got pulled pork nachos.
My dad.
Gotta keep them updated. So we just ate at Captain Cook's. We were gonna watch the fireworks, but it's really cloudy. So we're just gonna go back and have a girls' night. And vlog.
Who is this person?